Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching my content for a while, you know I'm always on the hunt for smart digital opportunities that are beginner-friendly, profitable, and future-proof. So when I first heard about something called AI CashCow, I was skeptical but definitely curious. I dove in, tested it out, and now I'm here to break it all down for you. AI CashCow is essentially a step-by-step system that shows you how to build your own AI-powered marketing business, even if you're starting from scratch. No product, no tech background, no big budget needed. That's a bold claim, right? But the more I went through it, the more I saw how clever and relevant this program really is. The guy behind this is Alex Jeffries, and he's not some random internet guru. He's been around since the early 2000s, and he's sold over 100,000 digital courses. The dude knows his stuff. What he's done here is put together a roadmap to help people like you and me take full advantage of the exploding demand for AI-powered marketing services. And we're not talking theory. We're talking practical, real-world systems that actually work. The course starts off with a quick start video that sets the tone. It explains why right now is the absolute best time to get into AI-driven business, especially for beginners. I really appreciated how it breaks things down in a simple, non-techie way. You won't need any prior experience to get the value out of this. It's designed to help you start earning with just a few hours a week. One of my favorite parts is the 10K monthly game plan. It's not hypey, it's strategic. It focuses on how to offer real value to small business owners using AI tools that solve their problems. You're not just learning how to make money, you're learning how to help businesses grow, and in return, you get paid handsomely. This is what makes it feel like a sustainable model, not just another online hustle. And then there's the concept of building what Alex calls your own AI employee. This part blew my mind a bit. The idea is to create AI-driven solutions that run automatically and help businesses attract customers, follow up with leads, and even generate content. The beauty is, once it's set up, it runs in the background while you collect recurring payments. You don't need to write a single line of code. It's like having a digital worker that never sleeps, never complains, and gets results. The program also dives into creating content that actually sells. Businesses need this more than ever, but most don't have the time or strategy to do it right. With AI CashCow, you learn how to use AI to generate high-quality content that helps clients stand out online. Even better, you can package it as a done-for-you service. Charge anywhere from $700 to $2,000 per month, and it only takes you about an hour a month to deliver. That's serious leverage. There's also an entire module on AI-powered email marketing. It teaches you how to use AI to write emails that convert, without spending hours agonizing over every sentence. For anyone who's ever dabbled in copywriting, this part alone can be a game changer. It's efficient, effective, and super scalable. One thing I really liked is the focus on finding the right clients. Not just anyone with a pulse and a credit card, but clients who have the budget and mindset to pay for results and stick around long term. You get a full client attraction system that works even if you don't have a big network or any sales experience. It's very plug and play, which is perfect for beginners. As you move through the training, the final piece covers how to scale. This is where things start to get really exciting. The scaling strategies aren't just theory. They're taken directly from the high-level coaching programs that Alex offers to his top clients. And now they're baked right into this program. You get access to those advanced moves without paying the premium price tag. All in all, AI CashCow feels like a very smart and timely opportunity. If you've been looking for a way to earn online that's both ethical and effective, this might be worth checking out. It's one of those rare programs that doesn't just tell you what to do, but gives you the tools and templates to do it, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. All right, that wraps it up for this review. If you got value from this video, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I've got more reviews and strategies coming soon, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.